Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I have this pickle jar that I am going to repurpose to create a planter. And so you see that I've removed the stickers from this jar only to replace it with more stickers, but this time the jewel stickers that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Now, this idea came to me tonight, guys, and I put it together in like 45 minutes, this entire video. So what you see me doing is just basically applying the jewel stickers all around this jar. And initially I was trying to use the Waverly brand chalk paint in that grayish color, but it was like gummy, so I just tossed it. Instead, I used the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink, and then I just mixed it with some of that acrylic paint in the color white to get the gray that I was looking for. And then I said, okay, well, what am I going to do next? And then it hit me. Dry it. So as you can see, I am just drying the inside of this jar. And one of the stickers did come out, so I did end up having to glue it down. I am adding some jute twine around the lip of this jar, and then you'll see me add some florals to it after I burn the phrase off the rope, because if you are a regular subby, you know I like burning the phrase off the rope. So then moving on to DIY number 2, I decided to use the rest of the paint that was on the sponge onto this piece right here. So what this was initially was one of the plaques that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree during the fall time, where it was the peduncle was added. I just cut the peduncle piece off, or the stem of the pumpkin off this piece, just to give me one clean plaque. And what we're going to do is just create a simple family sign using the word family. And as you can see, I am painting the piece in the black. I didn't like the way the coverage was from the sponge. And then I just painted over it. And initially I was going to just dry brush it and give it a light distressing. But the sponge was just, it had absorbed a lot of paint. And so I said, well, let me just go ahead and just get all the paint out of this sponge and just put it on this piece. And that's what I did, guys. But before we go any further, and as you watch me glue down this word family, I want to welcome all of my returning subscribers to the channel, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I pray that you all have had a great day. I have been a busy bee today, but nevertheless, I wanted to go ahead, since this came to me tonight, I want to go ahead and upload it to the channel tonight. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this, as well as enjoy the way this turned out in the reveal. So stay tuned for that. And guys, if any of you are watching my channel have yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. So as you can see here, I've just created a jute twine bow using some of that jute twine from the Dollar Tree and added some florals. And here's the reveal, guys. I think this turned out very cute. It's cute and very simple project that anybody can do, and I mean anybody. Here's the family sign, just something very simple, and I just styled it with one of these old clocks, and I just love this piece. Very simple, and here are both of the DIYs together. Guys, I hope that you've enjoyed watching this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I pray that the rest of your week is blessed. And remember to smile because it increases your face value. Bye for now.